Hello children, today we are going to revise manners and etiquette. In our previous class we had done social and table manners. Today we will revise them all and we'll talk about toilet manners also. We'll quickly revise 5 magic words. First one is thank you, may I, please, sorry, and excuse me. These are the words which you should use often. You should use them every now and then. And they do lots of magic in our life. If we use them, we become humble and people get to know a good side of our character. We'll quickly look into some of the do's and don'ts in social life. Children, here we can see there are few things which we should adopt in our personal life and there are few things which we should follow in the social setup. We should brush our teeth every day. This is about our personal hygiene. We should be very careful about our personal hygiene. We should brush our teeth. We should take bath on time. We should not pluck the flowers. Plucking flowers is not a good habit. There are children who quickly look at the flowers and they want to take them. So we should avoid plucking flowers. We should take bath every day and we should take bath properly. We should use soap, rub it and rinse it properly. We should take care of elders. We should share our things. Sharing is a boon. We should share to multiply our happiness. We should not trouble animals. That's very bad behavior. No. We should not spill garbage. Especially we should not throw banana peels on the staircase or on the road. Some person can fall due to this action. We should never ever throw banana peels except in the dustbin. We should put it in the bin. We should not play on dangerous places. We should never try to climb on the parapet. We should not play on the railings. This could be fatal. We should not do it. Now children, we'll quickly talk about few table manners. As we know, we should sit and eat with our family together. We should have meal together and when we are seated, we should not put our elbows on the table. We should wait for others to start and when we are eating, we should not make too much of noise of cutlery. When we are eating, we should take small bites and once the bite is in the mouth, our mouth should be closed. We should chew it nicely and swallow. हमको अच्छे से चबा के खाना खाना चाहिए और बहुत खाना खाते वक्त मुंह खोल के चप 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 ऐसे आवाज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए. बहुत पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए बीच बीच में और बहुत सारा फूड सर्व नहीं करना चाहिए. जितना आपको चाहिए उतना सर्व करिए, फिनिश करिए. इफ़ यू वांट more you can take second helping and don't waste the food. Food is very important. Don't have too much of water in between and wait. Once you are finished, don't get up and go. Wait for others to finish. Okay, don't spill food on your clothes. Use napkin or bib to protect it. Now we come to toilet manners. This is something very important. It is important for everybody to be hygienic, to be clean. So learning toilet manners help us to stay away from infections and diseases. बहुत common है urinary tract infections because when we use toilet which are used by many people, public toilets, we are prone to get infections. So first thing, when we enter the toilet, we should close the door. If you cannot latch it, at least close it. You are small, but you should practice that you use toilet in a private setup. Then you take the toilet seat and put it up. Use it. After using, whether you want to pee or you want to shit, you need to clean yourself nicely. You need to wash yourself nicely. Once it is done, you flush the toilet. You sit on the commode properly, and you should never ever pee on the floor. आपको नीचे बैठ के टॉयलेट नहीं जाना है, आपको यूरिनेट नहीं करना है. After that, after flushing the toilet, you should wash your hands properly, completely, and try to rub your hands as much as you can every time you use toilet. If you are using public toilets, be very careful because that is used by many people. So take care and be a good child.